Stocks 5150. We are here with our Tesla trades for today. And let's see what we got. Testing 1 2 1 2. Not sure if my sound coming through, but that's what we looking to see. All right, either way, the position that I'm in right now is a 437.50 call, and I have an order in for $5 for a sale. It's at 148 right now, and I have a Tesla, a 420 call, and I think I have an order for that one for $8. These plays are to take place over time. They expire on the 13th. Tesla was up this morning. It broke above the high from yesterday, and now it's pulling back, going into the 11th hour, and we'll see if it bounces off this support level right here and turns around and creates support here, I should say. See, so yeah, see, so I got pinned in on that one, $8. If it can build on that support, that'd be nice. I'm talking about right here at the 402 level. If it builds support, it's bounced, it touched it once. See, that was resistance. So it touched it once, and bounced, and then twice, so it's sitting there now. And if we can get a push up above and hit 410, we might be golden. Might be golden. Because what I'm looking for is to get a profit. I might be being a little greedy here because this one was only at $7 was the high. So I might need to change that play, change that down. But I really got a real strong feeling. Nothing other than a feeling that this will bust above, go above 410, because it's already hit that once, two, get that third move up, and break above 407. Yeah, like I said, see, that was $7 was the high that it was, this 420 call. But I don't see why I couldn't, with the right motivation, break on up to $8. So right now that 420 position is sitting at 85%, and my 437.50 call is sitting at 36%. And my 600 long-term play for January is sitting at 36%. The SPY is proving to be very disappointing. My little Santa Claus rally so far. I got a 615 call. I'm at a negative 19%, and I have a 625 call and a negative 45%. And March 21st, this is a little longer, further out. We'll see what happens, but small plays, but plays nonetheless. Go back to the full chart. So yeah, we'll see here. Tesla's pulling back. And like I said, if it can make support, find support right there at that 400 level. Trying to select my tool. I'm new to streaming, and I gotta say, I think I'm gonna have to get a better laptop, because yeah, needs a larger processor or something. Let's see though. Okay, up there it is. And let's do a horizontal line right there. This stuff's real glitchy. It's kind of embarrassing. Not really. Be glad that you are free. Free to change your mind. Free to go most anywhere, anytime. Oh, I'm gonna get my poster down singing Prince songs. The Russell 2000 is turning green. That's up back red again. It was green. The Russell usually pulls the spot either way. It goes up or down. Sometimes the Russell can pull it up and get a little boost off of that. Small caps, you know. S&P, I mean 0.06%. It's green, but that's not a lot. That's just a little bit. I still have a feeling that it's going to trade sideways. I'm thinking there's some economic data going on today. Let's see. What is supposed to be going on today? The economic calendar today. Let me look at investing.com. Not sponsored, but I would like to be. Let's see. So today, Tuesday, December 10th, we have the machine tool order year over year. And I guess that matters for farmers and stuff. Oh, that's in Japan. Europe. Where is the United States, man? That's hate to sound like that, but that's what I care about. All right. So this morning we had the small business optimism. Yeah, that's a small thing, not big deal. One bull. Let's do this calendar for. Let's see what else we got. Everything when you try to look at it, it wants you to sign in. Everybody wants your email. Oh, look at that. The Russell was pumping. We should get a pull shot for this. Should get a push. Hey, relax. All right. So let's see where we at. We are. The S&P is sitting at 6,059.58. The Dow is at 444.44. Look at that Jay-Z numbers. Small caps are too. Yeah. Well, you know. Let's see what else is going on. Cryptocurrencies are probably going crazy, but that's not what we're looking for. We're looking to see what news is going, what data is going on. If you got anything coming up. All right. Sorry for all the silence. I had to set this economic calendar thing up for the United States only because global news is important, but not today. So what do we have this morning? We had the OPEC meeting. We had the non-farm, the small business optimism. That's a one bull, one bull. Non-farm productivity. That's a two bull. That's at 8:30. Actual was 2.2%. Previous was 2.5. So that's down. Um, the small business optimism. Actual is 101.7. The previous was 93.7. So look at that. That's probably because Trump the president and they're happy about that, I guess. Union labor costs. Previous was 0.4. The actual this time is 0.8. Cost is up. Uh, Redbook year over year. Previous was 7.4, and the actual is 4.2. And short-term energy outlook that comes up at noon. And we got the WASD report. Not sure what that is. That is also at noon. The 3-year note auction is today. The Treasury, the previous was 4.15. So that's at 1 o'clock. And we have the API, what is it? Aftermarket. The crude oil, API weekly crude oil. So let's see what's going to happen tomorrow. So that might help with my plays that I got going on. Get us another push up. I mean, Tesla's already been up. Let's see, what is it? Ran up today. Tomorrow we have the OPEC monthly report at 0.500. The 30-year mortgage rate right now is 6.69. And the mortgage applications previous was 2%. And that's not a big deal. Okay, let's see. So Tesla. Shout out to Terry. This is my trade and travel. I purchased that course. I'm not gonna knock it and say I didn't learn nothing, but most of the stuff I already knew, which is disappointing for me because my trade wasn't going good, and I was thinking I could get more. Sometimes though, what I'm finding, is you just gotta like get in your lane and stay in your lane because support and resistance, supply and demand, blah blah blah, trend lines, blend lines, price action. I don't know, man. So what is it, fundamental or technical? Everything works is what I'm trying to say. So, it's really you because what I found is with me when I trade, like earlier, we'll just use this for an example. I was up, this play right here was up 60% and it was up to 300. Now I could have got out because it was going for $5. I could have took that and ran right and had that money, but I didn't because my thesis is I'm holding on to that Tesla's going to be higher tomorrow, which will be Wednesday, and then I'll get execute on Thursday. And we'll see how it goes. Maybe I'm right, maybe I'm wrong. If I'm wrong, then I'm wrong. But what you got to stay away from is being like, I should have, could have, and I would have, and all that kind of stuff. That doesn't help you at all. So back to this economic calendar. Tomorrow we got a mortgage market index. We got a mortgage refinance OPEC monthly report. That's for fuel, so that might help with some things, like XLE or something. Oh, core CDI month over month. Oh boy, that's got 3 bulls. Previous was 0.3%. That's at 8:30. That's before the market opens. The year over year core CPI numbers. Mm. Core CPI index is in November. Previous was 321. And so at 8:30 we have that coming up. The CPI. So that's definitely gonna go either up or down. Like either these Tesla plays are gonna crash and crap all the way out, or they'll rise. One thing I can say is never invest more than you're willing to lose. See, so this right here is like $1, this $100, that's $200. These spot play, that was $66. I mean, I got 13 of them, but that's why we're really holding on to that one. But this is $100, and this right here is $41. You know what I'm saying? That's $350. So if you can live with the loss, then go for it. But if not, don't do it. I would recommend if you're going to trade is definitely fund your account, but you want to at least have like 2,000 and keep it small. Don't go crazy. Don't go crazy, man. You don't need to go crazy, man. Go back to this full chart. Oh wait, I was supposed to be looking to see what Tesla was when it opened today. Tesla was previous close 389.79, and today it's in between, so it's up. It's at 390 to 407. So that's that what is that, 390 to 407? That's $17 right there. So it's already moved. Normally it moves like $10, $6 to $10. So it's already did 17. So if anything, it'll come back down to around that $4 range or that 390 range. It'll settle out flat. So we already been up today, $13. You see, yeah, 3% change. Which I mean, you could go in with Tesla. That's a play that you could do too. I could try to do that. Is you just buy an option of the previous close, and if it breaks above the high day, you just stay in it and then get out. And there you go. You would have made 13, made 3%. be in and out. Do that too, you know. While I'm here, SPY do? SPY was 604.68, and it has went between 604.27 and 6 something. I don't know what that is. Last one 605. So it's only up half a percent, 50 cent change. Not even half percent, 0.08%. So yeah, SPY is flat. But it's waiting on the CPI numbers, I'm sure. Tomorrow we have that. We got crude oil inventories. That might matter a little bit. And then I don't know if if Powell was going to be talking or not. Federal budget at 2 o'clock. The federal budget balance. Oh boy, yeah, that might matter. The 10-year note auction is tomorrow too at 1 o'clock, and the 10-year note previous was 4.347%. So a lot of economic data tomorrow, which is Wednesday, hump day. We all know what humping means. We're gonna be humping this around, messing with our plays, you know. Hump day. Yo. So anyway, let's mess with stuff. Let's see what we got over here. What are these plays? These are option movers, market movers, and largest ones. Some of this stuff I never even heard of, but get you some penny stocks and make you some money. Get you some plays. McDonald's. I might go get me a Big Mac, man. I feel like eating some garbage. I think I might eat some garbage today. I don't know. How many people eat McDonald's? How many people still eat McDonald's? If you still eat McDonald's, say A in the chat. A. A, I eat McDonald's. A, I eat McDonald's. No, don't eat McDonald's. Eating Chick-fil-A, that's the new fast food. Chick-fil-A is the new garbage. So it looks like we bounced off that support. That's 2 times. Well, we broke down on that one. Broke through that one. That level right there, 402. We broke through that. Read it again. But MACD is curling up. We're above the 200. It's looking good overall. Talking about Tesla, that is. Yeah. So anyway, I'm gonna get out of here, man, because it's lunchtime. And again, we have a play. 2 Tesla players are still watching and shall see plays make it to the big leagues. Stocks at 150. Stocks are crazy. We are out.